This digital product has made at least $98,000 on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can create and sell this viral digital product, as well as 5 other super beginner-friendly ones. Digital Product 1. Wedding Templates. Weddings are a massive market, and couples spend money like crazy on personalized details. Things like invitations, seating charts, and save-the-date cards are always in demand. You can tap into this without any design experience. Here's what to do. Go to Canva, a free design tool. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're in, type wedding invitation into the template search bar, or whichever specific product you want to create. Canva will show you hundreds of pre-made designs. Choose one that looks clean and simple. We're going for minimalistic designs here because that suits the wedding theme best, and we also want brides to be able to customize it themselves. Click on your chosen template and start editing. Replace any placeholder text with generic instructions like enter names here or date and location. Leave space for customization, but make sure the fonts and colors look polished. Stick with timeless styles like cursive or serif fonts. These tend to sell best. You can also change any images by deleting the ones in the template, then going to Elements and typing in something like 2 doves. Then, just drag and drop the image you want and place it where you like on the invitation. This just helps make the invitation look more unique. Once you're done, export your design in 2 formats: a Canva share link so customers can edit directly, and a print-ready PDF. This way, your buyers can either print their invitations or tweak them digitally. Now comes the selling part. Etsy is the most beginner-friendly choice here. Create a shop, upload your template, and add a detailed description explaining how buyers can use it. Search for similar listings on Etsy to get ideas for pricing and keywords. Make your listing stand out by adding images of how the invitation looks once printed. Digital Product 2. Real estate guides and Airbnb welcome packets. If you're more of a writer than a designer, guides and packets are a perfect niche. These products cater to industries like real estate or hospitality. Think how to sell your home step-by-step guides or welcome packets for Airbnb hosts. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it something like, write a beginner-friendly guide for Airbnb hosts, including house rules, local attractions, and checkout instructions. ChatGPT will generate most of the content for you, but don't just copy and paste it. Read through it, tweak the tone, and make it feel more personal. Next, head back to Canva. Type in Airbnb in the search bar. Look through the templates and pick one with a clean, professional design. Copy the text into the template and format it so everything fits and looks good. Feel free to add more pages if you need more space. Add icons, images, or even your own photos to give it personality. Canva's free elements library is perfect for this. When your design is ready, export it as a PDF. You can also offer editable files for people who want to customize them some more. Once you're done, you can list this on Etsy, and you can also market these guides to your audience on other platforms. Airbnb Facebook groups and real estate forums are gold mines for finding potential buyers. Include screenshots of your guide in action when you're advertising. It helps build trust. Digital Product 3. Logos. You don't need a graphic design degree to create logos. Thanks to AI, anyone can do this now. Start by using Leonardo AI, which is incredible for generating designs. Let's say you have somebody who wants a cool, unique logo for their coffee shop. You can type in something as simple as a cup of steaming hot, rich coffee. The AI will generate multiple options in seconds. Pick your favorite and save it. Then, upload the design to Canva. You can add the business name here and pick one of the many great fonts that Canva offers. You can also rotate or resize the image so that it looks a little more interesting. Once the logo looks polished, export it in multiple formats: PNG for web use, SVG for scalability, and PDF for print materials. Offer these as a bundle so your customers feel they're getting extra value. Selling logos is where you can branch out. Start with Etsy or Fiverr, where small businesses are always looking for affordable branding. Offer packages like 3 custom logos and 2 revisions included, and set competitive prices. Over time, you can raise your rates as your portfolio grows. Digital product 4, business card templates. This is another staple for small businesses. Canva is your go-to tool here too. Start by typing business card template into Canva's search bar. Choose one with a professional and minimalist look. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see placeholders for name, title, and contact details. Customize these with sample text like "your name here" or "email example.com." You want the buyer to feel like this is easy to edit on their own. Add design elements that match popular trends. For example, gold accents and geometric patterns are hot right now. Play around with the background colors to offer variations, light, dark, or even textured. Save the final product as a Canva link, so customers can edit directly. You can also offer a print-ready PDF for people who prefer that option. List these on Etsy and mention that buyers can use them for personal or business needs. To boost sales, create bundles of matching stationery, like letterheads or social media banners. Digital product 5, resume templates. Resumes are always in demand, especially sleek modern ones. Canva has templates that are already optimized for readability, so that's where we'll start again. Search for modern resume template and choose one with a clean, professional layout. Start by editing the placeholders with generic text. Divide sections clearly: name, contact information, skills, work experience, and education. Use clear fonts like Arial or Helvetica. Fancy fonts can be a deal breaker for hiring managers. Create 2 versions of each template, one editable in Canva and another in Word format. This gives your buyers flexibility. To market this, focus on job seekers who need help standing out. Etsy and Gumroad are great platforms for selling resumes. In your listing, highlight features like ATS, applicant tracking system, compatibility, and offer a cover letter template as an add-on. Digital product 6, printable art. This might be the easiest of all. Use Leonardo AI to generate unique designs in a specific niche. Let's say you're in the animal niche. You could give Leonardo AI the prompt, "a cute golden kitten with bright blue eyes." The AI will give you some incredible, one-of-a-kind images. Once you have the artwork, upload it to a blank Canva canvas. Here, you can add text or adjust the layout. Canva makes it easy to add stylish typography. Save the file as a high-resolution PNG or PDF. On Etsy, you can sell it as a digital download or connect your shop to Printify for print on demand. With Printify, customers can order physical posters, and the platform handles printing and shipping for you. It's a great way to earn more while doing less. None of the products on this list need you to do rocket science, but you do need to put in a little effort. You're using free tools like Canva and AI to create valuable products, then leveraging platforms like Etsy to reach buyers. The steps I've shared here are simple enough for beginners, but effective enough to build a sustainable side hustle, or even a full-time business. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and keep improving. By the way, don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. The biggest hurdle is taking that first step. So, open up Canva, type in a template idea, and start creating. You'll thank yourself later. Which of these digital products are thinking of selling first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.